Phenomenal Woman is a poem by Maya Angelou, first published in 1978. The poem rejects narrow societal expectations of women and proposes an alternative perspective on what defines real beauty. Confidence and comfort in one's own skin. The speaker insists on the marker of true beauty, and the poem thus offers an empowering message for all women. The speaker refers to an elusive secret about herself that conventionally attractive women struggle to understand. She explains that she doesn't look like the models glorified by the fashion industry, and that when she starts to reveal her secret, these other women don't believe her. The speaker claims that her beauty is manifested in her wide hips, her confident gait, and her smile. She is an extraordinary woman. When you think of an extraordinary woman, that is the speaker. Whenever the speaker calmly walks into a room, every single man present desperately competes for her attention. These men are drawn to the speaker, bushing around her like honeybees. This is because her passion for life manifests in her physical appearance, in her flashing eyes, her vibrant smile, the way her waist sways as she walks, and the happy lightens in her step. She again declares that she is an extraordinary woman. When you think of an extraordinary woman, that is the speaker. Men have also asked themselves what is about the speaker that makes her so attractive. But no matter how hard they try to pin down the speaker's mysterious appeal, they can't come close. Even when she tries to reveal her secret to these men, they just don't get it. The speaker says that her beauty exists in the way she carries herself in her confident posture, her bright, sunny smile, the shape of her breast, and her elegant style. She is an extraordinary woman. When you think of the extraordinary woman, that is the speaker. This is the speaker says, is why she insists on moving throughout the world confidently and boldly. She doesn't have to overcompensate in any way or prove herself to anyone. In fact, when other women see the speaker, they should be inspired to be more confident themselves. The speaker's appeal exists in the way she strikes in heels, in the way her hair falls, in the way she holds out her hands, the way others want her to care for them. She is an extraordinary woman. When you think of an extraordinary woman, that is the speaker. This is the summary of the poem. Thank you.